I always have enough money.
I always have enough money.
There is enough money for everyone.
There is enough money for everyone.
I am financially free.
I am financially free.
I have more than enough money.
I have more than enough money.
Money is abundant to me.
Money is abundant to me.
I always have enough money to fulfill my
I
needs.
always have enough money to fulfill my needs.
The universe provides enough money for
The
everyone.
universe provides enough money for everyone.
I can become financially free easily.
I can become financially free easily.
Financial freedom is not just a dream, it will be my reality.
Financial freedom is not just a
Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more affirmation videos. Also, do check out our other affirmation videos. Thank you, and take care.